I'm constantly asked, what should I buy as a key code machine or a duplicator for locksmithing? I highly recommend that you buy one of your first major purchases should be a code machine because everything revolves around making a key. I'm not talking about automotive locksmiths right now. I'm talking about locksmiths. If you're a beginner locksmith, I highly, highly recommend the first thing you buy, even before a duplicator, is get a good code machine. My first code machine was a Framon, so I'm prejudiced. I love the Framons. I bought the thing 35 plus years ago. I still have that key machine. I've bought several more since then. Nowadays, they're under $2,000. So my favorite code machine is a Framon. I highly recommend that one for any locksmith, as well as if you're just starting out in locksmithing. I found my whole business changed when I got the code machine and I wasn't farting around trying to make keys using a duplicator, using depth keys. The code machine is what makes you at a whole different level of locksmithing. And it's how I teach my students. My teaching revolves around making the key properly. If you make a proper key, then everything else is easy or easier. Again, for entry level, get the Framon or something similar to it. When all the electronic stuff, the fancy computer key machines can't work, what do? We pull the Framon out and we make a key on the Framon. It's always, always working. It's our fallback machine, and it can be your go-to machine right off the bat too. So I hope you enjoy. Let's watch the videos. We can show you the different key machines in action. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.